Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new Valorant video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will show you how to make your profile private on deck.gg, which is a website that allows you to make or show people your Valorant match history, your statistic, and even for you, you can see your own statistic by your own, and you can make them public and private. So, how can you make your account or profile private? That's what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. First of all, guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browser. So that is not from your Valorant launcher. You will need to go to a browser. Then go ahead and start typing in the URL section doc.gg and type into this website. After that, go down below into the player stats and click on Valorant. Here, guys, you will need to wait until we load this page, and then you'll just have to log into Riot Games account. After that, click on your name. So here we go. And as you can see now, profile privacy is public. And basically everyone can see if I have any winnings, like here, my win rate, my unrated games, spike rush, deathmatch, and even like the agent that I've played with in those games. Well, there is something that is maybe you can feel that is bad for you. So this is match history. So maybe you feel ashamed to for people to watch that. For example, for me, I'm not ashamed to like give people like an opinion about my account, even though I'm bronze two. I have like low statistic, but still it's okay for me. But maybe for you guys, you want to change that. So you can just go here, make profile to private, and basically no other person besides you can actually look to your account, and no one can watch your match history or whatever detail about your account anymore. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.